My dream pizza, this is gonna be very unpopular, but I am one of those people. I like pineapple on my pizza. I can feel you right now. You're judging me. Pepperoni, pineapple, sausage. Oh, that's the best right there, all day. Hey everybody, my name is Gabriel Iglesias. That's Gabriel Iglesias if you have an accent. My go-to order and item is an order from a place called Mexicanas here in the city of Long Beach. I like Spam fried rice. They got lobster tails with extra butter because you can't have enough butter. The garlic noodles, which are delicious. The one dish that my mom made when I was growing up that I could still taste today because I know how to make it, it's huevos con weenie or weenie con huevos, which is basically eggs and hot dogs mixed together. The importance of representation in my field. I think it's important in every field, but it's one of those things where it's not everything. I want to make sure that the reason why people notice what I'm doing is because I'm good at it, and I just happen to be whatever I am. And so when people say, wow, you're a funny comedian, it's not you're a funny Latino comedian. I'm a funny comedian who happens to be Latino. And I think the fact that I'm really good at it and I am Latino makes it that much better.